Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, a very warm welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about a high growth small cap stock from an evergreen sector. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Som Distilleries and Breweries Limited, which is available at Rs 197.85 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is SDBL. Now Som Distilleries and Breweries reported a healthy performance in Q1 FY19. Top line growth was driven by volumes and bottom line benefited from expansion in operating margin. SDBL has delivered strong operating performance over the past few quarters and the management is aggressively targeting market expansion in a growing liquor market. Revenue in Q1 FY19 grew 10% year-on-year to Rs 125 crores. This was led by a robust 9.5% volume growth in the beer segment, but the same was offset by a volume contraction in the Indian-made foreign liquor segment. Both gross and operating margin expanded year-on-year due to softer raw material prices and operating leverage. EBITDA for the quarter came in 23% higher at Rs 22 crores. However, profit after tax grew only 11% on account of higher depreciation and interest expenses. Now, SDBL has a diversified product portfolio consisting of beer, rum, brandy, vodka and whiskey. Beer is the flagship product of the group and its Hunter, Black Forest and Black Fort beer have gained significant popularity in a short span of time. Overall, it has 2% market share in the beer segment on a pan-India basis. Madhya Pradesh is the company's core market, where it has a 38% share in the beer segment and 15% share in the IMFL segment. The company derives majority of its revenue from the beer segment. Presence of IMFL brands complements the beer brands and reduces seasonality to a certain extent. While beer volumes jump during the summer months between April, May and June, IMFL sales increase around winter, mainly December and January. Now during the quarter gone by, the company sold 27.6 lakh cases of beer along with 1.7 lakh cases of IMFL. This compares with 25.2 lakh cases of beer and 2 lakh cases of IMFL in Q1 FY18. The volume growth for the segment was a bit soft as SDBL had recorded a very strong volume growth of 39% in the beer segment during last fiscal. Now the company has also benefited from increase in realizations along with growth in volumes. While beer realizations have jumped on account of premiumization as well as price hikes, IMFL realizations have remained largely stable over the past 12 months. The management has undertaken a price hike of 5% in beer in recent months, which should aid in realization and profit growth in the coming quarters. In FY18, SDBL outperformed its larger peers such as Radico Khaitan and United Spirits in terms of volume growth. The numbers are strictly, however, not comparable as both Radico and United Spirits have an IMFL focused portfolio in which SDBL has a very small presence. Now, the company has recently commenced commercial production at its subsidiary Woodpecker Distilleries and Breweries located in Hassan, Karnataka. The plant has a manufacturing capacity of 34 lakh cases of beer and 27 lakh cases of IMFL. The management has ramped up beer unit capacity utilization to 40% within 3 months of commencement of production. The IMFL unit has also commenced production from August and should aid bottom line and top line growth from Q3 onwards. Going forward, the company plans to tap Karnataka, Kerala and Pondicherry markets from this facility and aims to achieve full capacity utilization for this plant by FY19 end. Now, besides expanding its presence in the domestic market, SDBL is also planning an entry into the US market this year. The initial trial run of its products in 4 states has been completed. Going forward, the management plans to be present in around 40 states in the US by FY19 end. Now, liquor consumption presents an attractive opportunity as India has a large young population and remains an under-penetrated market in the alcoholic beverage segment. Our positive outlook on the sector is based on the fact that per capita consumption of liquor in India is far lower compared to Western countries and provides huge growth opportunities. The management is focused on bolstering its sales and distribution network in southern and eastern markets where per capita consumption of liquor is relatively higher than other parts of India. Growth momentum seen in FY18 by liquor companies will continue ahead as state elections are nearing in Madhya Pradesh, which is SDBL's core operating market. Investors are therefore advised to accumulate the stock on dips as the business remains well positioned to capitalize on market opportunities on account of higher brand recall and an expanding distribution network. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. This was a research which was done on a financial channel and we'll be providing the link in the description section for you to read and build more conviction around your investment decision. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.